Good morning, my people. What's in my yard? Got delivered last night. Alright guys, I'm about to become dirty boss. I got Miko inside doing the interior. Get her going. Bad, like all that's gonna get painted, you know. So I'll have the whole box painted eventually. Like, get through this. Yeah, I'm gonna run out of water, so as my water supply up there, I got to get more water. But I'll get a before and after of when I lift this bed up, because that's where all the grease is, and I'll show you all that. All right, check back in a bit. That's a quick hit on the outside. Gonna put more water in the machine, in the tank, and then open the hood, do the engine compartment and the chassis. Check back. All right, I got Meek pulling her forward, and we're just I gotta get to that water tank. You're good. All right, check back. All right, guys, she's cleaning up. I didn't do it with soap and water yet, but we just did a quick over on the quick clean on the outside with pressure washers to get the grease off. And the inside, Meek's he's got it going. We vacuumed it, we cleaned it. Everything's looking a lot cleaner. So that's the first hit. Obviously, when it gets maintained, it will get cleaner. We cleaned all back here, it was good. But yeah, it's getting there. I'm gonna get all new bezels here because this thing's coming off, and I'll get a whole new bezel there. All right, I just filled up the water tank. I'm gonna lift this box up, do the engine compartment, and go from there. Yeah, these weren't lights that were on there, they were cameras that he took off, so I'm gonna have to put something there. I don't like that hole. So got any ideas, let me know. All right guys, just about lunch. I'm gonna go grab a quick bite. I pre-soaked all this. Just want to give you a before and after. What the hot water pressure washer does is I just got this soaking here. See all the grease? You see all this everywhere on all the lines. I'm a big bug about that. I keep it, my other truck, I just pressure wash it these lines all the time just so I can find air leaks, because you know they all leak air here and there. And then when you go to tighten one up, you don't want to be caked full. And this is just regular road grime and sweating of a working truck. But yeah, definitely once or twice a year get in there and clean all that out. Or if you get into some real muddy stuff, you know, see all these airlines, how those are all colors, so I could trace them, you know. So if they're clean and you go, oh no, I got an orange, I got to find the orange one. Well, there's the orange there. You wait to see, there's orange, there's yellow, there's reds. And get them all cleaned up, and it's a lot easier to work on. And DOT likes it too. They don't like to look around on them and get all greasy. When DOT gets greasy, it gets expensive. Here's the motor, all pre-soaking, big Cummins. Yep, look at that Cummins symbol in there. Love it. Check out the other side real quick. The hood's coming out good. Nice and shiny, didn't wax it or nothing, just cleaned it. Took up all the stickers. Took off the stickers on the box. Yep. All right. Check back after lunch and we'll be pressure washing it. It's hard for me to hold this up. I'm gonna just finish this. I'll give you an after when I'm done. Well, I managed to get myself greasy. I knew I would up in them pumpkin areas because they were super caked. They were probably like that much cake of sweating and stuff. So now, you know, this is just old paint. And I'll just touch all the paint up. You see how those go all colorful? The lines. So basically now I could just scrape away the excess. I may even sandblast this when the box gets painted. Because I'm gonna sandblast this part here, then sand that with regular orbital, and maybe sandblast and prime that. Well, that's what happens from factory. You get them painted, then they can't breathe. So I don't know. It's really, I just usually touch mine up every year, but it's definitely a lot cleaner than it was. You can see that this was so caked up. I got in all where the brakes are, cleaned all that. This was all gummy, remember? So yeah, I mean, for the first hit, that's good. And then next time I pressure wash it, you get a little more and a little more, and then you touch up. I just get the regular Rust-Oleum paint, keep touching it up every year. You run them in the salt and whatever, and in the winter time, it always does a number on them. You always got to repaint, touch up, keep up on it. This guy obviously didn't do that too good, but when you got 50 trucks, you can't sit there and critique each one. It's not making you money when you just truck for a living. Me, I don't truck for a living, I truck for myself, so it's a little different. But all right, that's the end of this video. Just, you know, washing the new truck. Still cloudy, it was raining on and off, and tomorrow hopefully will be a better day. We'll be back on that site cutting in some drainage. It is a mess over there. We got so many washouts, it's unreal. Wait till you see it. All right, thank you, see you tomorrow.